Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford edge door lock problems and outlines commonly documented reasons why the power door locks may fail to lock or unlock properly. This issue can present as doors not responding to the key fob, interior lock switches working inconsistently, or locks operating on some doors but not others. These problems have been observed across multiple Ford Edge model years, though symptoms and frequency can vary depending on generation, mileage, and usage conditions. In documented cases, door lock concerns may be related to wear or failure within the door lock actuator, which is a known wear component in many modern vehicles. Electrical factors such as wiring fatigue inside the door harness, poor electrical connections, or issues with the body control module may also contribute. In some situations, key fob signal issues or low vehicle battery voltage could be a contributing factor rather than a mechanical failure. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. When addressing door lock problems, inspection typically focuses on confirming actuator operation, checking for consistent power and ground at the door, and verifying that switches and remote signals are functioning correctly. Repairs may involve replacing a faulty actuator, repairing damaged wiring, or reprogramming or diagnosing control modules if required. Not every fix applies universally, and proper diagnosis is essential before replacing parts. Available information suggests that door lock issues do not affect every Ford Edge and may develop gradually over time rather than appearing suddenly. The likelihood and cause can differ between older and newer generations, and usage patterns such as frequent locking cycles may influence wear. In conclusion, Ford Edge door lock problems can stem from a combination of mechanical wear and electrical factors, and the exact cause depends on the individual vehicle, model year, and condition. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.